In this video, you'll learn how to deep clean your eyelashes. Start by picking out a bowl. Try using a smaller bowl rather than a bigger one. Now grab your used up lashes. Eyelash glue can really damage your eyelashes and leave a lot of residue as well. So don't throw away your old used lashes. You can clean them up and reuse them and they'll look brand new. It's very simple and easy to do, and you can use your household items. Take the bowl and add olive oil, about a teaspoon, tablespoon, or 2 tablespoons. Add your false lashes into the bowl. You can also use more than one pair. Now just let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. You don't want to let it sit for too long because then your eyelashes may fall apart. Now remove the lash from the bowl, and using a Q-tip, I'm going to run through the lashes. Remember to be very gentle, because at this point the lashes are very moistened and soft. Doing this, it will make your lashes very, very clean. I recommend to go from end to tip. That way it will give it a good clean without damaging the hairs. If you have extreme amounts of eyelash glue stuck to your eyelashes, I recommend to flip them over and do the same exact thing to the other side. At this step, be sure to be patient and take your time. Soon enough, your eyelash glue on the lashes are going to break apart. It's going to feel really sticky and tacky, I would say, to touch. So if you're not a big fan of sticky and tacky things, don't touch it. Just continue using the cotton swabs and repeat these steps until all the glue or most of the glue is out. Place the lash on a tissue and let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes. With either soap or shampoo, add it to your lashes. I mainly like using my hands, but you can use a tray or something else. Dip a cotton swab into some olive oil and start scrubbing. Scrub as gently as possible. This is one of the reasons why I place the lashes on my hands. It's because the hands are very gentle and it won't do much damage. Be sure not to miss the in-betweens of the lashes. Just make sure it's spotless. You can slowly start seeing the dirt coming out. Using another small to medium bowl, pour in some warm water. It does not have to be a lot of water. I'm putting in a half cup of water. Then place the lashes that you've just scrubbed into the bowl. The reason why I've asked you to use warm water is so that the dirt particles can be removed. Soak this for 1 minute. When a minute is over, take it out of the bowl and place it on a tissue. Observe your lashes, and if you still see some residue, just pull it out. For this step, you want to be extremely careful, making sure that you don't pull the strip out by accident. The key to that is to be extremely gentle. You may also use tools such as tweezers. If you accidentally pull out some of the strip, that's okay. You can just cut it off. If you find that you can't pull certain parts out, keep it in the olive oil for much longer. Here are the finishing results. If you ended up liking this video, please do give it a thumbs up down below, and do share it with your friends and family. What's your method of cleaning your eyelashes? Do let me know down below in the comments. Until my next video, take care and be safe. Goodbye.